For day 6 here on the RDP Advent Calendar, I've got an unusual exercise that can be a real game changer for your lower body strength, stability, and for your lateral chain work. What we're talking about today is specifically targeting the medial lateral chain, aka the inner thigh, which often plagues a lot of people, which is why we have chronic like knee issues and stability issues and stuff like that. So we're going to use one single foot loop on a suspension rig, or if you have gymnastics rings, just take out the ring and use the nylon strap, works just as well. You're gonna lay on back and slip the top foot into the foot sling. Pull the toes up so they're pointing forward. We want to avoid this sort of approach. You want the strap pretty close to your heel as well. Shoulders are back, and this is the key. Push those hips forward as much as you can. You want to feel like you're kind of at risk of falling over backwards, but you don't, of course, because all the muscles along your backside are turned on. If you have a hinge and you're kind of twisting like this, you're going to feel it all on the medial part of the knee. But what we're doing is targeting the adductor magnus muscle, which is also an extensor for the hips. So when everything is forward, that muscle should be going crazy. We could start off gently with keeping the bottom leg on the ground, and then to progress, we lift it up. And if you want to progress it further, you can add dynamic motion to it as well. And of course, the rest of my lateral chain is working too. My obliques and everything on this side. We can also progress by shifting out. You can see how much I'm stretching, I'm shaking around. It does not take much resistance for those muscles to get a very powerful stimulus. Only 10 seconds on each side for 3 rounds, rest as needed. Other videos in the Advent Calendar are down below in the description, as well as other resources for suspension setups like how to make your own down below as well. Thank you very much for watching. Be fit, live free.